the head referee. You know what that means. We are ready to go in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. We're seeing 24260 quickly shoot those artifacts in there, getting all three. Red Alliance is moving on that gate. Meanwhile, 22411 opening up that gate, keeping it free. We're seeing some great autonomous play right here. 22479 looks like they maybe have some artifacts stuck in their robot, but they might just be not running their autonomous. Who knows? Meanwhile, anyways, Red does have the lead because of that, and that ramp is going to be full. Those two last points, unfortunately, are going to be
pick up your controllers.
Counted less because of that fullness. And with both ramps almost full in autonomous, both teams are going to get motif points, but also both teams are going to have to open these up pretty quickly, and that's going to set up some movement on that far side of the field between those loading zones. Teams are going to be able to strafe and hit those shots like 242-928 Hyperion is trying to do on the Red Alliance. But we are seeing some contact over here by the Blue Alliance, specifically with Royal Robots and that amazing half-pipe mechanism that they have to score points. 24928 still doing that same cycle flow on the far side with those far shots, and it doesn't seem like any are missing. They're hitting that shit like prime Stephen Curry. And the Red Alliance need to open that gate, and that's going to create some outflux into that loading zone. 24928 is going to take advantage of those artifacts and use that. However, 22479 getting in the way. 24928 can't exactly take much advantage as they want to. Out of the blue, well, it looks like 22411 Wild Squirrels might be stuck over here, and they're back. Wild Squirrels is back, and they might be able to tie this game up in the last couple of seconds. 111 to 129. There's only a 10-point difference here. Red Alliance needs to keep this up. However, 40 seconds left. They're going to need to fill that up if they want any chance at motifs. 22479 still going back between the loading zones and trying to go to that close thing. And Red Alliance is running away with this game. 24928 looking for any artifacts that they can use, and they found them over by the red ramp as that gate is opened, and they're just going to throw these artifacts away into that goal for as many points as they can. You have 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left, and these teams are going to need to park. Red Alliance is away with this game, only by 30 points. This is still possible, and that is game.
It's the Red Alliance for the victory. With a score of 189 to 174, 3 ranking points mean stability for your Red Alliance teams. 24928 will not crack the top 10. 1 ranking point will mean a mixed bag of results. 22411 will drop to 9.